Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2013 Nissan Rogue. This is a 5-passenger SUV in white, driving on 16-inch wheels. Now, helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. Like I mentioned, this Nissan has a smart key system, so we can press this button on the door handle to lock the vehicle, and to unlock it we can press that same button there. Take a quick look inside here. Right up top you have your power windows and locks with some storage on the bottom. Now inside, this Nissan Rogue comes equipped with black fabric seating. On the top you do also get a power moonroof as well. And we're going to start this Murano up, starting with the steering wheel features first. On the left side you'll find your audio controls, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition. On the right side, of course, you have your cruise control. If you take a quick look in the odometer, you can see this Rogue has 85,536 kilometers on it. Moving on to our display here, right now we are on the radio option. Now you do have your standard AM and FM. You also have choices between CD and auxiliary. Down below that is the climate control. It is a single zone, so you have these nice smooth turning dials here. You'll find your AC inside the temperature dial there as well. You'll find your 12-volt outlet right underneath the intensity dial. Right behind the shifter, of course, you have your 2 cup holders. You do also have sport mode as well, so if you press that, that will let you know in the RPM gauge there on the left side. Taking a quick look inside the back here, we are continuing with the black fabric seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. And these rear seats do also fold down. There's a little handle here in the corner. If you pull that upwards, the seats will fold flat, giving you access to your cargo. Now to access the cargo from the outside here, there's a little button underneath. You can just give that a press. That liftgate will open up nice and easy. Inside the back here, providing plenty of storage space, you also get an added bonus of a cargo cover as well. We can also look underneath here. You'll find some extra storage along with your spare tire. And like I mentioned, those rear seats do fold down. That will always give you that extra bit of room. Let's take a last look at our Nissan Murano. Once again, some of those great features include your fog lights, hands-free calling, power moonroof, and a smart key system. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.